How you doing, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Mr. O. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of living in Belize. Coming up next. Okay, guys. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to have the pros and cons of living in Belize. Again, Tammy and I lived in Belize for about almost a year, almost 2 years ago now. And unfortunately, we couldn't get back because of the pandemic. We probably would have been over there 2 or 3 times by now, among other places. But anyway, I just want to give you guys the pros and cons of staying in Belize and what things we had to endure and things we had to get used to and just get familiar with. Now the pros are people are very friendly there. People are nice. They're cool. They're cordial, down to earth. I mean, we met plenty of people that, man, didn't have any type of attitude, animosity, or just, any type of tension or anything at all. The conversation would go smooth. We have a nice time. We talk to people. We got to know people. I mean, it was just, just being human and being nice and being, courteous to people. And we really enjoyed that. I mean, all over, even in San Ignacio and San Pedro, it was pretty cool and pretty enticing and refreshing to see people, not on edge and just not just full of a stress and a lot of tenseness. They were down to earth and they were just real nice and genuine, pretty much. I mean, of course, you don't know if anybody's genuine because you just met them, but on the surface, they seem like just nice, down to earth, cool people, man. So, and if you can Google it, you can Google this. When you mention people in Belize, it does say something about they're really a friendly type of people. So, yeah, that's one of the cons that myself. I'm a real friendly guy, and I really love that about them there in the country Belize. Now, the second thing is Belize is an English-speaking country. So when people used to ask us, well, why Belize? Well, first of all, it's a English-speaking country, so we know the language barrier wouldn't be tough at all. So we went there. Everybody know English there. I mean, from the Garifuna tribes to the people that speak Creole. I mean, everybody know English there. I think that's their country's native language, even though it's different type of languages there. But yeah, everybody speak English there, and like I said, we wanted to find somewhere to go, how to get to this certain place with directions. Everybody spoke English, and we knew every word they was talking about. Now, you did have some people that had some thicker accents than others, but for the most part, man, it was an easy transition. It was an easy transition when you speak the same language. And the third thing is it's very affordable compared to the States. It's really affordable. Although they're having a lot of, I'd say, influences going over there from the States. So when people tour over there, you get a lot of money from the States from tourism and all that. So the influences, you can see it over there as far as the American influences. And that's due to, going over there and spending a lot of your American dollars over there. But like I said, it's very affordable. Now, on the mainland, like San Ignacio, Caye districts, places like that, Hopkins, it's really cheap compared to the United States. Now, when you go into the islands like San Pedro, Caulker, Placencia, the housing could get expensive over there, and other things can get expensive. But for the most part, overall, everything is much cheaper unless you're importing it from the United States or other countries. Then it can get expensive. But compared to here, especially now these day and times with the real estate market, yeah, it's very affordable. It's very affordable over there. Like I said, the mainland, it's really, really affordable, really cheap over there compared to here. And the next thing is the American dollar is worth $2 over there. So, if you have $10 here, it's $20 over there, and that wasn't a luxury that we had over there. But at times it didn't feel like it was going a long way. Certain things we bought, but it is for every dollar over here, it's $2 over there. Every $50 over here, it's $100 over there. So it does make a difference, but at times it depends on how much you're paying for stuff. Certain things seem like you wouldn't getting that 2-for-1 over there. And the last thing is easy access to several beaches over there. And I said they got Placencia, they got Secret Beach, then they got Boca. I can't think of the other one. Boca del Rio, I think, one that they remodeled recently, right before we left. And they got other ones. I mean, they got islands over there. I think Mayweather has an island over there. This guy in the music industry, Jay Prince, he has an island over there. So it's several islands all across Belize, several islands, and they're beautiful too. They have the sargassum in some parts of the different parts of the beaches. They have sargassum there, but for the most part, man, it's still beautiful. It's still Caribbean, and it's islands all over the place, and it's beautiful out there. Now let's get into the cons. The cons is healthcare. Healthcare there is cheaper in Belize, but again, when you compare it to maybe Mexico or United States, it's not as prevalent and it's not as advanced as those countries. But I mean, it's still cheaper if you're going to get like general checkups, dental work done, exams, stuff like that. It's pretty cheap. It's cheap overall. But like I said, if you go to Belize City and you're trying to get heart surgery and all that, I don't know if they are advanced at that type of procedure as it is in Mexico and the United States. But overall, it is definitely cheaper to get things done over there as far as healthcare. Healthcare just is not as advanced as over here. And second con is the roads are bad. The roads are real bad, especially in the rural areas. If you're like in town, in a San Ignacio or even San Pedro and other parts of Belize, if you're in town, yeah, the roads are paved, of course. But when sometimes you get out in the rural areas, it can get real bad. I mean, just undeveloped, gravel roads, poles everywhere. I mean, it's just it's kind of unbearable at times. I know when we went to Spanish Lookout in San Ignacio, we took one of these back roads, and we had to take the ferry over there, and man, it was just big holes everywhere. And also when we went to Secret Beach, beautiful beach. That's one of the famous beaches, out of a lot of islands. But when we was there 2019, the roads were so bad, and 90% of the town used golf carts. I mean, they were so big, the holes so big and so bad that sometimes I felt like if I got out and started walking, I can go faster than driving on the cart through the holes. That's how bad it was. I mean, you're talking about like maybe 1 or 2 miles per hour maybe, because it was like craters and you're always bobbing and right, left. I mean, horrible. But I noticed right before we left Belize, about a month or so out, they started paving the roads, not with concrete. It's like hard gravel, but they smoothed out the holes and everything. They filled the holes and they smoothed it out with gravel. So it did get better. It got a lot better from what it was. So I just want you guys to know, I mean, it's a third world country, so I mean, you can expect that. And another one is it can get quite hot over there as far as the humidity. It can get up there. I mean, myself, I didn't have any problem with the humidity over there, but at times I could feel it. I mean, it's kind of remind me like being over in Midwestern states, maybe Milwaukee, Kansas City, Ohio, somewhere like that. Even Texas, Arkansas. Yeah, the humidity can get up there in Belize, but like I said, I adapted to it. I noticed it, but I don't think it was I still don't think it was as thick as it was over in the States, but you know. And let's say the last one is Belize is a developing country, guys. So it's like few sidewalks, shopping centers, supermarkets, convenience stores, no Kohl's, no TJ Maxx, um, no Ross's. So it is a third world country. So you don't have your shopping markets like you over here. You don't have your Targets. You don't have your movie theaters like that. I mean, it is a third world country. So those conveniences will not be there. So I wouldn't expect to go over there and, think you're gonna go to like a shopping center and you can hit several different stores. No, it's mostly like this store is here, this store is over here, this store is over there. So even when we were in grocery shopping, sometimes we had to go to 3 different stores, maybe 4 different stores. Instead of just going to a Walmart or maybe Whole Foods or Sam's. Yeah, we had to go to several different stores to get what we wanted to for groceries. So guys, that's my pros and cons, and that's my experiences of living in Belize. Hopefully, we can get back over there. We got tickets for October, around my birthday of this year. I know the COVID's kind of numbers are getting high again, so I don't know, but hopefully we can get back over there and enjoy it once again. Again, guys, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my channel. And you guys have a good week. Peace.